BMW i8 M Sport. Experience the perfect blend of futuristic design, electric innovation, and pure driving excitement with this BMW i8 M Sport. This stunning coupe showcases BMW's vision of the future, combining sporty elegance with cutting-edge hybrid technology. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine paired with an advanced electric motor, the i8 delivers instant acceleration, exceptional efficiency, and a dynamic driving experience, all through a smooth automatic transmission. Its lightweight architecture and intelligent hybrid system create performance that feels both powerful and effortless. The M Sport trim elevates the i8's already iconic presence with refined detailing, sport-focused styling, and an aggressive stance that turns heads wherever it goes. The sleek coupe body is matched with striking aerodynamic lines, signature LED lighting, and those unforgettable butterfly doors that make every entrance dramatic. Inside, the cabin is crafted for a driver who demands more: digital displays, premium materials, and a sporty cockpit layout that blends luxury with technology. Every detail feels modern, clean, and built with precision. Whether cruising in electric mode or unleashing hybrid power, the BMW i8 M Sport delivers a unique combination of performance, efficiency, and futuristic style. It's more than a sports car, it's a statement. Sparkle specialties of the BMW i8. The BMW i8 is not just a car, it's a statement of advanced mobility and progressive performance. Its specialties include futuristic aerodynamic design. A sculpted silhouette with floating panels, flowing lines, and aerodynamic channels that reduce drag and enhance stability. The iconic butterfly doors add drama, elegance, and instant presence. Carbon fiber reinforced plastic (CFRP) structure. Built using ultra-lightweight carbon fiber usually reserved for high-end supercars, giving the i8 exceptional strength, rigidity, and agility. Intelligent hybrid performance. A combination of 1.5L turbocharged petrol engine and a high-torque electric motor, delivering impressive power with smart efficiency. Instant electric acceleration blends perfectly with turbocharged boost for a smooth yet thrilling drive. Supercar feel, eco-friendly efficiency. Despite its sporty performance, the i8 offers excellent fuel economy and the ability to drive silently in full electric mode, making it a supercar that respects the future. Seat comfort and driving experience. The BMW i8 is engineered to deliver a smooth, refined, and comfortable experience both for daily use and spirited driving. Driver-focused luxury cabin. The cockpit-style interior wraps around the driver with premium materials, ergonomic seating, and an intuitive control layout. Premium sports seats. Comfortable yet supportive, designed to hold you firmly during dynamic driving while ensuring long-distance comfort. Adaptive dynamics. The i8 intelligently adjusts suspension and driving characteristics according to road conditions and driving mode, ensuring a stable, cushioned, and enjoyable ride. Quiet and smooth electric driving. In EV mode, the i8 glides silently, offering a calm and refined driving experience, especially in city environments. Rocket-exclusive BMW technology. The i8 brings some of BMW's most advanced engineering and technology innovations.